Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to export footer in Elementor as JSON file in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see templates and then you see theme builder. So open it. And then on left side you see footer. So click on it. Now you see Elementor footer. So we are going to export it as JSON file. Now you see button, so click on it. And then you see export, so again click on it. Now you see Elementor file name. And then you see save as type JSON file. Now click on save. Now file save done. So you can export footer as JSON file in Elementor Pro WordPress and you can import this custom footer to any other website in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.